Welcome to English Listening Practice. This video is designed for learners of all levels. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin. I arrived in Riverstone on a cloudy Friday afternoon with one small suitcase and a backpack. It was my first solo trip for work. My company had asked me to attend a weekend training course and then visit a client on Monday morning. I had planned everything carefully: train ticket, hotel, and even a list of cafes where I could eat dinner without spending too much. Still, when the train doors opened, I felt nervous. The station was bigger than I expected, and people were moving fast in every direction. While I was walking toward the exit, my phone buzzed. It was a message from my manager. "Remember, the client meeting moved to 9 o'clock. Please be there early." I stopped near a wall to read it again. At the same time, a group of teenagers ran past me, laughing and pushing each other. I stepped back quickly, and my backpack hit the corner of a bench. I heard something soft fall. When I looked down, my paper map was on the floor. It was an old-fashioned map I had printed at home, with notes in the margins. I picked it up, but the wind from the opening doors lifted one side and tore it slightly. I sighed, trying not to panic. "It's fine," I told myself. "You have your phone." Then, I checked my pocket and froze. My phone was gone. For a second, I couldn't breathe. I searched my jacket, my jeans, my bag. Nothing. My mind started racing. The hotel address, the training location, my manager's number, everything was on that phone. I imagined myself missing the meeting and looking careless in front of the client. I tried to remember the last time I had held it. I had been texting on the train, and then I used it to check the platform number. After that, I wasn't sure. I walked back toward the platform, scanning the ground. A woman in a bright yellow station uniform was standing near a ticket machine. I took a breath and went up to her. "Excuse me," I said. "I think I lost my phone. Is there a lost and found office?" She nodded. "Yes, but it closes in 20 minutes. What does your phone look like?" "It's black, with a cracked corner," I replied. My voice sounded smaller than I wanted. "Go straight down that corridor and turn left," she said. "But first, did you lose it on the train or here?" I'm not sure." She looked at my torn paper map and smiled kindly. "Then we'll do this step by step. If it was on the train, the staff might bring it to Lost and Found later. If it was here, someone could hand it in soon. Either way, you should report it now." I hurried to the office, which was a small room behind glass. A man sat inside, typing. While he was taking my details, I noticed a pile of items on a shelf: umbrellas, gloves, a child's backpack, and a few phones. My heart lifted, but none of them had a cracked corner. The man said, "But you'll need a local number or email." "I don't have access to my email without the phone," I admitted, feeling embarrassed. He leaned back. "Do you have a hotel booking printout?" I suddenly remembered. My hotel confirmation was in my suitcase, and my suitcase was with me. I opened it right there and found the paper. "Yes," I said, almost laughing from relief. "Here," he wrote down the hotel phone number. "If it turns up, we'll call the hotel. You can also come back tomorrow morning." When I stepped outside, the station felt louder than before. I was tired, but I couldn't just wait and hope. I walked to the platform again and asked a cleaner if she had seen a phone. She shook her head, but she pointed at a bench. "People leave things there," she said. I walked over, and my stomach dropped. Under the bench, half hidden behind a metal leg, was my phone. It must have fallen when I hit the bench. The screen was dark, but when I pressed the button, it lit up. I held it tightly, like it could escape again. Then I took a long breath and smiled to myself. I still had a training course, a client meeting, and a whole weekend in an unfamiliar city. But now I knew something important. Even when plans break, I can stay calm, ask for help, and keep moving forward. Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.